Well, hello there and greetings to you. I hope you're doing well today. Matthew McDonald here. Welcome to this quick start guide for the Customer Chat Pro. Well, hello there and welcome to my desktop. And in this quick start guide, we're going to walk through the complete process of connecting your Customer Chat Pro with your Facebook page. And that's how we do it. We connect it with a Facebook page, and then we can chat directly back to customers from our Facebook page. The great thing about setting this up, you're not going to need any app IDs or app secrets. We're going to do everything super quickly. It's very easy, only takes about a minute or two. So to get started, I'm logged in here to my WordPress admin. I'm on the Customer Chat Pro page. I've already activated my license here, and if you haven't done that, check out the installation video. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click on the Facebook link here, and it's going to open up a wizard, and basically this little wizard is going to tell Facebook that our domain is going to be used for our messenger. So it's got a select option here. All you need to do is go ahead and select the page you want to be using. And I'm going to select Mastery Labs for this one, and clicking continue, and then it's just going to walk you through the process. Just go ahead and click next. All this stuff you can skip this. We're going to set this up directly from the actual WordPress plugin. So just click next, and here again you can ignore all this stuff and just click finish, and you're done. Now we can go ahead and close that, and basically by now Facebook now knows that our domain name is going to be using the messenger chat with the Customer Chat plugin. The next step is to get your Facebook page ID, and we can get that from our Facebook page. So going over to your Facebook page, just click on the About, and this should be the same page we just linked up with that particular domain. And scrolling down on the About tab, under more info here, we can see page ID. Here it is. I'm just going to go ahead and copy that, and we're going to put our page ID right in there. Now the greeting is going to be popping up, which is the first thing that the visitors see when they interact with your chat. So just to keep things simple and get you actually up and running with it, let's just put here, how can we help you today? With the greeting dialog display, you have the option to show the dialog when the first visitor arrives on your page. You can also hide it or fade it. Now, this is a preferred preference, which means it's not absolute. Facebook will decide whether they want to display the dialog open for that particular user. And also, if the user has been to your website before and they've left the dialog open, it's going to load in the same state. Same also if they've ever closed the dialog before, it's going to load closed. And then we've got here use logged in or logged out greeting. This is basically if somebody is logged into the Facebook page, you can see there's a slightly different message. So you can actually customize a different message for somebody who's logged into their Facebook account and a different message for somebody who's not logged into the Facebook account. Now, both of them are going to be able to interact with you, but you have the option here to differentiate that message. I'm just going to leave this one as a simple one greeting here. And then from the display options here, we can go and select site-wide, or you can choose where you want by default the chat to appear. We did skip the color here, so let's pick a custom color so you can see that in action as well. And let's go ahead and save our changes, and we're done. That Customer Chat Pro is now active on our site. And if I just open up the home page here, here's on our home page, and we can see here the chat is popping up, and look at that, we've got the branding color ready to go. Now I've already been doing chat here in the window, so it's remembering that chat, which is really cool as well. And that's all good to go. Before we wrap up this quick start guide, let's look at the post and page level customization with these options. So I've just gone to a post here, and in the Gutenberg editor up the top here we've got Customer Chat Pro. If I click that, I can see different options from here. So for instance, if you have the chat side wide and you want to opt it out from different pages, you can just go ahead and select never show it on this particular post. Also, if you're only using the chat on certain pages, you can leave it deselected from your main settings and then just choose to show it on custom pages. You also have custom option here, and opening this up, you can set your custom greeting that's going to be relevant to this particular page, and that goes also for pages, so you can do the same thing for your pages. Here with the Gutenberg editor, the way it works is if we actually disable this pin, we can get rid of the icon over there. But now if we get rid of this, you've lost that icon, and you might be wondering how to get back in. All you need to do is click these three dots here, and over here you can see Customer Chat Pro, and selecting that, we can jump back in. If you like to use the icon up here, you can just turn that star back on and you're all good to go. To wrap this quick start guide up, let's go and head over to Facebook and have a look at where we can see our chats. So if you're actually logged into your Facebook and you've got people on your website and they are leaving comments, you'll get your chat box most likely popping up right here. But from your page that you've got linked, you can just go to the inbox tab here, and it's gonna take you right in here, and from here you'll have a list of all the different chats that are going on, and you can basically just type in here and interact. And you can do this in real time, or then you can actually you can come back here and follow up on what's been happening. And just to demonstrate this really quickly, let's go back to our web page. I'm going to just continue in here and just go and put hello from website. Let's go ahead and enter that. And now if we're inside the chat here, you can see in real time, I've got the message coming in, hello from website. And well, hello there, my website visitor. Got a ding-a-ling. And look at this. Not only was it going ding, but they've got the message coming up. So you can do this in real time, and if you are not doing it in real time, you can come back here and catch up on all your chats. So there we go. That's the quick start guide for the Customer Chat Pro. If you do get stuck in anywhere in the process, make sure you look at any other videos here available, and also check out our YouTube channel for our members. I often post videos there on the different tools and some tips as well. So I'll put the link somewhere around this video or near the video to check out the YouTube channel as well. So that's it for this video. I will see you in another video very soon. Cheers.